In the annals of automotive history, few cars can claim to be as unique and intriguing as the Aston Martin Razor Blade. Originally designed in 1923, this race car was not only a symbol of speed and innovation but also one of the most aerodynamic cars of its time. Built to break the 1-hour speed record for light cars, the Razor Blade pushed the boundaries of design and engineering, drawing inspiration from an unlikely source, aircraft manufacturers. In a remarkable collaboration between Aston Martin and the Havilland Aircraft Company, a British aviation pioneer known for producing legendary flying machines like the Moth and Comet, the Razor Blade was born. The de Havilland team's involvement was crucial, especially in terms of the car's body design. Aircraft manufacturers were the undisputed masters of aerodynamics at the time, and their expertise was pivotal in shaping a car that could rival the speeds of contemporary racers. The result was a truly extraordinary vehicle, the Aston Martin Razor Blade. With a body that was as narrow as possible, just 18.5 inches at its widest point, the car earned its razor-sharp moniker. In fact, it is still considered the narrowest race car ever built. The tight confines of the car were so extreme that only a driver of relatively small stature could fit inside. The body was mounted on an innswept chassis, narrowing further as it reached the rear. This design helped reduce drag, making the Razor Blade an incredibly sleek machine capable of impressive speed. Under the hood, the Razor Blade was powered by a 4-cylinder, twin overhead cam engine. Originally developed for the 1922 French Grand Prix, this engine produced a respectable 55 horsepower, enough to propel the car to remarkable speeds for the era. The Razor Blade's primary goal was to break the 1-hour speed record for light cars, a coveted title in the early days of motor racing. However, despite its innovative design and powerful engine, the Razor Blade failed to meet its primary objective during its attempt at Brooklands in 1923. The front offside wheel kept losing its tire when the car exceeded 100 miles per hour, preventing it from achieving its goal. Though it didn't break the speed record, the Razor Blade still left its mark on history. It went on to set the standing start mile record, proving its capabilities in a different category. The car continued to compete in various races throughout the 1920s and 1930s, even making appearances on the track well into the 1950s. Its journey continued when it was sold to what would later become the National Automobile Museum in the U.S., and it has since been displayed at numerous events, including the prestigious Goodwood Festival of Speed and the Brooklands Museum. Today, the Razor Blade is a living piece of motoring history, fully restored and in running order. It can be raced at competitions and venues such as the Vintage Sports Car Club and the Aston Martin Owners Club, and it is even road registered, making it a rare and usable collector's item. The car's charm is further amplified by its deep historical significance and the unique story of its creation. This week, the Razor Blade has once again captured the public's attention, as it has come up for sale for the first time since the 1980s. With a price tag of £750,000, this rare and iconic car is being sold by pre-war Aston Martin specialist Écurie Bertelli. The sale comes complete with a comprehensive history dossier, detailing its fascinating journey from its early days as a race car to its current status as a sought-after collector's item. For enthusiasts of classic cars, Aston Martin fans, and anyone with an appreciation for racing history, the Razor Blade represents an opportunity to own a true masterpiece. With its storied past, exceptional design, and rare status, the Aston Martin Razor Blade is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history, waiting for a new owner to carry on its legacy.